The Friendly Ghost, Boo and the Pumpkin Patch. Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there was a little ghost named Boo. But Boo wasn't like other ghosts. He didn't want to scare anyone, he just wanted to make friends. Every Halloween, while the other ghosts flew around making spooky noises, Boo stayed in his favorite place, the pumpkin patch. One Halloween night, Boo floated around the patch, admiring the big orange pumpkins. "If only I had some friends to enjoy this night with," Boo sighed. Just then, he heard giggling. Peeking out from behind the largest pumpkin was a group of kids dressed in costumes. They were laughing, picking pumpkins, and talking about carving jack-o'-lanterns. Boo was excited but nervous. What if they were scared of him? He quietly floated closer and whispered, "Hello." The kids looked around but didn't see anyone. "Who said that?" asked a little witch. Boo gently floated into view. "It's me, Boo. I'm a friendly ghost and I love Halloween just like you." At first, the kids were surprised, but they could see that Boo wasn't scary at all. He was small and cute, with big round eyes and a warm smile. "Do you want to help us carve pumpkins?" asked the boy, dressed as a pirate. Boo was overjoyed. Together, they carved spooky and funny faces into the pumpkins, telling stories and laughing the whole night. When they finished, Boo had made lots of new friends. From that night on, Boo was no longer the lonely ghost in the pumpkin patch. Every Halloween, he and his new friends would meet there, carving pumpkins, telling stories, and enjoying the magic of the season together. And they all agreed. Boo was the friendliest ghost they'd ever met.
Do it yourself. Halloween crafts. 1. Egg carton bats. Materials: empty egg carton, black paint or marker, googly eyes or small paper cutouts, string or yarn, scissors, glue. Instructions: 1. Cut out 3 connected cups from an empty egg carton to form the bat's body and wings. 2. Paint or color the egg carton black. 3. Once dry, glue googly eyes or paper cutout eyes to the middle cup for the bat's face. 4. Add a small string to the top to hang the bat. 5. Bend the outer cups a little to resemble bat wings. Two. Toilet paper, roll monsters materials. Empty toilet paper rolls. Paint or colored paper. Googly eyes or markers. Pipe cleaners, optional for arms or antennas. Glue. Scissors. Instructions: 1. Paint or wrap the toilet paper roll with colored paper to create the monster's body. 2. Glue googly eyes or draw eyes with a marker. 3. Use pipe cleaners to create arms, antennas, or fun monster features, and glue them to the roll. 4. Add any extra details like fangs, horns, or patterns to personalize each monster. Three. Milk jug ghost lantern materials. Empty milk jug, black marker, LED tea light or glow stick, scissors. Instructions: 1. Clean the milk jug and remove the label. 2. Draw a spooky or silly ghost face on one side using the black marker. 3. Cut a small hole at the bottom, ask an adult for help. Place an LED tea light or glow stick inside the jug to make your ghost glow in the dark. Four. Paper plate jack-o'-lantern materials. Paper plate, orange paint or crayons, black paper or marker, green paper or pipe cleaner for the stem. Glue, scissors. Instructions. 1. Paint or color the paper plate orange. 2. Cut out triangles for the eyes and nose from black paper, or draw them with a marker. 3. Cut a mouth shape out of black paper and glue it onto the plate to form a jack-o'-lantern face. 4. Add a green paper or pipe cleaner stem at the top to complete the pumpkin. Five. Spooky spiderweb yarn art materials. A paper plate, yarn, black or white. Hole puncher, black pom-poms or small plastic spiders. Glue. Instructions. 1. Punch holes around the edge of the paper plate. 2. Weave the yarn through the holes, crisscrossing it to create a spiderweb pattern. 3. Glue a black pom-pom or plastic spider to the web. 4. Hang it on the wall or in a window for a spooky decoration. Six. Pumpkin seed art materials. Pumpkin seeds, dried. Paint, paper, glue. Instructions. 1. Paint the pumpkin seeds in different colors, orange, black, green, etc. 2. Once the seeds are dry, arrange them on a piece of paper to form Halloween shapes like pumpkins, ghosts, or bats. 3. Glue the seeds in place to create your Halloween art. Hope you all enjoyed the story and the DIY Halloween crafts. Happy Halloween Day!
Please subscribe to Shiny Sprouts channel, like and share the video. Thank you.